Okay, quickie update on the Mercedes diesel bluetec settlement deal. Ooh, hide my driver's license. I've finally done all the applications after I've done. I had the issue with a repair I'd previously done, but it seems that that part is only under extended warranty once the field measures are applied. Weird, I know. But the field measures get applied and then the extended warranty. I replaced the part before the field measures were applied. I'm going to fight that, but as it sits, that's what happens. Anyway, next step is to go to bluetecsettlement.ca, and you'll fill in your information, your car's VIN number, and then you're going to have to provide a something that shows the date that you've owned the vehicle, because you have to own it before December 21st, I believe, 2021. A picture of your driver's license, which is what I sent here, and a picture of the settlement, the field measures being done, that the field measures has been done and taken care of. And you fill all your information out on this website, and then they will give you a claim number, and goes from there. And again, like I said, mine, I have to, I'm going to fight for a repair that I did before, and now the part is under an extended warranty, even though I replaced it before. By the way, if anyone wants to see, where is that estimate? It is fun. When I've gone to the dealership with issues with the emissions, they gave me a quote for replacing what was exactly replaced under the settlement. And I said, wasn't there a settlement coming up? And they said, well, they don't know where that was going to go. But anyway, they tried to charge me for it in the beginning. I have an estimate here somewhere. Anyway, it was for $4,700 to do the work that they ended up doing in the field measures. There it is. $4763.53, and that was on October. Where's it? October 18th. That's when they gave me an estimate to replace everything that they ended up having to replace for free. So anyway, that's the way you continue on with the lawsuit, settlement, the financial portion of it, and I will let you know what happens from there on. I'll keep you updated if there's anything that happens with my attempt to get my intake manifold covered, because it's now covered. But anyway, that may be an impossible fight to win, but we'll see. And a mileage update. Fuel mileage has been maybe a little better. It's hard to tell because, you know, last time the mileage was in the middle of winter time when it was pretty damn cold, and winter diesel has some anti-gelling stuff that doesn't exactly help fuel economy. And being cold, it doesn't exactly help fuel economy. But long drive the other day, about 300 miles round trip, and I averaged about 40 miles per gallon in when I set it to miles per gallon on the display. And that's a U.S. gallon, not an imperial gallon. It would probably be like 48 miles per gallon imperial. But based on a U.S. gallon, it was 39 miles per gallon. So not bad at all. I do know, I think it's a little bit slower in pickup from accelerating from a dead stop. Again, very, very hard to say. It's seat of the pants type stuff. I couldn't say for sure. I don't drive the crap out of it, so that's not really going to bother me anyway. But yeah, it's driven perfect ever since. And I can, with my OBD tester, I can monitor the DPF cleanouts, and when it does a DPF burn, to burn out the particulate filter, and it monitors it, and I can see that it's actually being done. So I don't know, knock on wood, with gas prices the way they are, thank God I'm getting 40 miles per gallon. But yeah, $2 a liter here in Canada right now for diesel. Fun. Anyway, any questions, just write them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.